Hey everyone, welcome to Frazzly AI. So what's this AI tool all about? It's a tool that turns AI content into 100% human-like tech, basically humanizing AI-generated writing. Essentially, it saves us time writing, boosts efficiency, and makes our content indistinguishable from human writing. Alright, let's get started, shall we? As you can see, we can log in with Google if we want. And here we are inside the platform itself, okay? Fastly is probably best known for its humanizer, right? But we also have a content generator. Here we are inside Fastly. Alright, let's use Phrase AI's humanizer to see how it works. We click on AI humanizer, and here we can basically paste some text. So I'm going to chat GPT to copy the first text that, let's see some explanation it gave me. Look, this one here. Okay, this is in Spanish, so I'll ask it to translate to English. This way, phrase should more easily detect if it's AI generated, so we just copy and paste it in. We'll remove this last sentence and click check for A. Okay, first it checks for AI and says, your text is likely AI written. It says 1 out of 8 sentences is written by AI, just 1 out of 8. Wow, I'll click humanize. I expect Phrase AI will only flag the clearly AI generated parts, so we click humanize and it starts to rewrite the text. I'm not sure if it'll change everything or just the AI detected parts. Looks like it's changing the whole thing. Yeah, it's definitely changing everything. As you can see, it's expanding the content too. Instead of AI style writing it, it's giving me 5 versions. Not sure I'm a fan of that. I'd rather have one version than all these options, honestly. After it's done, we can check with AI detectors. All show 0 out of 8. Turning, copy leaks, OpenAI, you know? These are AI content detection tools, and they seem to confirm it's human written. So yeah, I think it's a pretty useful tool, to be honest. Alright, let's use the AI phrase content generator and review the content. Okay, let's see how well it generates content. Ready? Let's ask ChatGPT. Look, for example, let's say I wanted to talk about describe Duolingo. Describe Duolingo, okay? I want it to be an article, alright? And in English, perfect. It says note. Minimum 350 words, maximum 500 words for an article. Wow. Well, I'd prefer it to write me a letter. Job interview, okay? Job interview, and I don't know, 350 words, max 500 words seems really short, doesn't it? I'll have it generate an outline and then generate the content. Here it gives me different topics. I'll confirm the topic, and okay, I've successfully completed a job interview. And here's more. This is more than 500 words, right? Well, we'll see now. Let's see what comes out. Look, the results are all in red, okay? Total word count, 310. It's all been flagged as AI generated. Obviously, because AI did generate it, so let's hit the humanize button. Hey, couldn't you just humanize it directly? After humanizing, how many words now? Should be a bit more, right? Well, maybe around 400. Let's see. Actually, it's less. Okay, so this is the final result. It's all there. Everything past the AI filter and such. Bit sad it only allows 500 words. Would be cool to apply this to. And they're not even... won't work for WordPress articles, just for short letters or tiny topics. 350 words isn't much, but there it is. Alright, let's check out the payment plans and briefly review Freshly AI. Okay, so we'll click on upgrade plan for that, right? Let's take a quick look at the cost. $13 a month, unlimited. Seriously, for real? So for $20 monthly or $13 yearly, we get unlimited AI. 15 AI writing generations per month, but that's useless as it's terrible. 2,500 words per process. No way. When before the max was 500. Advanced artificial intelligence. Well, okay, not sure what that means. Watermark removal, I assume, right? And access to beta seems like a great price for the AI humanizer, but why on earth would you want to humanize your text? Not such a dumb question, actually. You can use it if you're a teacher to annoy all your students. You can use it if you're a copywriter, and if you usually write with AI, this will let you humanize your texts unlimitedly, which is very interesting. If you're an SEO writer, if you're a writer of... maybe it's not as useful for SEO due to keywords, but it can still be cool. If you're a novelist, okay? It can be useful for many things, really. I asked myself, what do I think? Okay, I've said it, right? My review is that the AI writer is terrible, okay? They only give you 500 words max, which is pathetic. Plus, it's not really focused either, you know? I ask for an email or letter, and it does whatever it wants. As for articles, I haven't tested it, but a 500-word article is pointless. Hey, the AI humanization seemed really great to me, okay? Let's check out some reviews from others. and see if people agreed with me. Indeed, it's 4.7 stars, right? 89% after 1,300 reviews. No one gave 2 stars out of 1,300 reviews. 89% 5 stars, and there's 10% with 1 star. I subscribed for a year, expecting uninterrupted service from the start. Blah, blah, blah. After 2 months, they banned me just for logging in without warning, and no one refunded my money. Hello, your account was banned for... Oh, okay, for sharing it with others or for automating. They don't allow you to automate processes, right? Because if you don't use the API, you know? In this case, we've found processes handling thousands of documents 24/7, which wouldn't be possible with our use case. Our unlimited plan is for personal use only, and account sharing is prohibited by our term. Okay, this case made me laugh. They give a lot, right? They're scammers, huh? They charged me without permission. Careful, denied my charge back. Thanks for your feedback. Well, we think it's a misunderstanding. We always try to get our customers only account requested via dashboard, or if they please contact us to clarify, well, to plan so on. There are people who simply don't know how to use social media, and that's it, right? And instead of contacting customer service, well, let's see, it appears that they respond and all, which is usually a good sign for the platform, right? It means if they're attentive to this, they're attentive to everything else, okay? Most reviews are very positive. They have 4.7 comma, and I wouldn't discredit these few negative reviews from people who, well, have misused the platform or simply haven't contacted them when encountering an error. My conclusion is simply that it's a very good tool, honestly.